If you have never heard of a virtual assistant before, this video will change your life. People are working from their phones, from their bedrooms, from cafes, earning in dollars, pounds, and euros. And they all started exactly where you are right now, knowing absolutely nothing. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what a virtual assistant is, what they do everything, who pays them, and how much they earn. Stay on to the end because I am also going to show you how to start even if you have zero experience, zero connection, and zero money. My name is Temidayo Toluwase, also known as Coach Jovex. I am a certified virtual assistant and the founder of Jovex Remote Academy, the home for beginners who want to start their remote career from zero, and that is exactly what we are going to do together on this channel. Now let us get into it. What is a virtual assistant? Okay, so imagine this. A business owner in the UK wakes up every morning to 200 emails, 15 meetings to schedule, social media to manage, travel to book, and they have no time. So what do? They hire someone remotely to handle all of that. That person works from anywhere in the world, and that person is a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant or VA is someone who provides professional support to businesses and executive remotely. You work from home, you set your own hours, and you get paid to do the tasks that keep the business running. Now you might be wondering what kind of tasks exactly. So let me show you. Here is what a typical VA day actually looks like. They manage emails and respond to clients, scheduling meetings and managing calendars, booking travel and accommodations, creating documents and presentations, managing social media accounts, conducting research, data entry and organization, customer support, and other things like that. And before you say, Jovex, I cannot do all of that. Listen to me. You do not need to do everything. 2 to 3 skills, you get good at them and you offer those services, and that is it. So let's talk about who hire a VA and why do they hire them. Now, here is the part that surprised me the most when I first learned this. VAs are hired by entrepreneurs, coaches, real estate agents, doctors, lawyers, YouTubers, more business owners. Basically, anyone who is busy and need help. And because they are hiring remotely, they are not limited to their city, their country. They hire the best person for the job, regardless of where they live. That means someone sitting in Lagos, Abuja, Accra, or Nairobi can work for a business owner in London, New York, or Dubai. The location does not matter, the skills do. And that's exactly why I started, because I realized geography is no longer a limitation. Your laptop, your phone, those are your offices. Okay, now let's talk about the money they earn, because that is exactly why you are really here. VA rates vary depending on your skills, your experience, and the type of work you do. Here is a realistic breakdown of what virtual assistants earn. Beginners earn from $5 to $10 per hour. Intermediates earn from $15 to $30 per hour, while experienced virtual assistants earn from $30 to $50 per hour and above. Now, I know some of you are converting that to naira right now, and your eyes are wide open. Yes, this is real. People are earning this working remotely as a virtual assistant, and they started exactly where you are. The only question is, are you going to keep scrolling or are you going to start? Here is what I want you to do right now. Not tomorrow, but right now. Number one, subscribe to this channel, because every single week I am posting real practical content that will take you from zero to remote worker. This is exactly what worked for me, and what is working for thousands of people starting out. Number two, turn on the notification bell, because the next video I am posting is going to show you step by step how to become a virtual assistant even with zero experience. You do not need to miss that. And number three, comment below right now and tell me, have you ever heard of a virtual assistant before today? And I'm reading every single comment. My name is Coach Jovex. Welcome to Jovex Remote Academy, and I will see you in my next video.